I remember taking the keys before leaving. Please remember to bring the report to the meeting tomorrow. He stopped to talk to his friend on the street. She stopped running because she was tired. I regret to inform you, but we have to cancel the meeting. I regret taking that job. It was a bad experience. She went on talking about the event after introducing the topic. After college, he went on to work in a successful career. Don't forget to do your homework tonight. I'll never forget driving my first car.